Hello, hi, good morning. I am Yusuf from YouTube channel Muhammad Yusuf bin Rahmat Tulahan. So today is the 2nd of April, Friday. So the topic that I will share today is still MEP services, mechanical, electrical and plumbing. The performance of the engine Honda City, the ergonomic. Later we will see my speech. You like this channel, kindly subscribe so that I can share more of my videos to you and to the international. Some of my topic is plumbing, filtration of the water, Frosco. So some of our food has oily, then it will goes to the sink and trap. So the machine or the box for the filtration of the oil wasted in the sink is called Grease Interceptor. This the machine to filter the oil so that the oil can go to the sewer line or main treatment water. It only filtered to the machine and we can manually inspect and throw the debris. So kindly help Malaysian in filtration of the waste by reducing oil in your food. We continue again. Thank you. Bye.